Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good and your health is also good and you are happy today. Are you happy? Yes? Okay. So, in today's class, we will start a new chapter. What's that? A new chapter. The name of the chapter is chapter 6. The name of the chapter is The Clever Jester. What's the name of the chapter? The Clever Jester. Okay, so this is a chapter name. I hope you all are excited to learn to read this chapter. Are you? Okay, shall we start? चलिए. So, observe this picture carefully. Observe this picture. Can you see this picture? I also see this picture. So, what are the... First, observe this. Then I ask you some question. Observe this picture carefully. Like some of the ministers are there. One woman is there. And by the picture, we can identify all these things. Yes or no, students? Yes. So all the ministers are there. One woman standing wearing a sari. Maybe it is a man or woman because यहाँ देख रहे हो थोड़ी सी मूछ भी है. तो देखते हैं स्टोरी में क्या हो सकता है. One king is also there. So basically we might think this story is based on all these things. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So first question. What do you understand from this scene? What do you understand, students? It might be a discussion going on with ministers and king. It might happen. We don't know, na? So it's possible that. Second, how does the man look who just entered the court? ये man आपको कैसा लग रहा है? Maybe it is a man, but he wears sari. Something is going on. क्या पता कुछ हो? Let us see how everyone reaction. सब कैसे? How everyone is reacting? Everyone is laughing because sometimes happen a boy or a man if he wears sari. So can you imagine how funny it is? थोड़ा funny लगता है ना को फिर? Yes. चलिए फिर. Let us start this beautiful chapter. Okay. Let us see this chapter is all about for what. Okay. Are you excited? Show me some excitement also. Okay. So, during the Middle Age, Maharana Pratap Chandra was a king of Bengal. So, he was a king of Bengal. Can you remember? Bengal is a state of which is in India. है ना? India में state है Bengal. At that time, different kinds of ministers were there to give advice on different matters. Of course, there was a king, so there was some of the ministers are there. Of course, they give advices to king, है ना? When kings needs advice, they can take the help of their ministers and minister will help them. Yes or no? It has happened? Yes. One important person in king's court is the court jester, whose role was to make people laugh, feel happy, and also help to solve problems in their kingdom. So the work of jester is to make people laugh, help the king whenever he needs the help. So it is the work of jester. उसका काम था लोगों को हंसाना और किंग की हेल्प करना जब किंग को हेल्प की सख्त जरूरत हो. यस. ओके. हरिचंद्र was the महाराजा's favorite jester. उनका सबसे फेवरेट जेस्टर कौन थे? हरिचंद्र. ठीक है. He is smart. वो कैसे थे? Smart, quick-witted and had a great sense of humor. He is very clever. That's why the king always tell that whenever king is in a difficult situation, he can take the help of jester. Okay. Most importantly, he is kind-hearted and always helping to help everyone, not just the king, but by profession he is a barber. देखिए by profession वो हरिश्चंद्र कौन था, एक बाबर था, बट वो इतना क्लेवर था, इतना अच्छा था कि उसको किंग ने अपने कोर्ट में एज अ मिनिस्टर रखा, एज अ रजिस्ट्रार रखा. ओके, द सनी सीजन हैज बिगिन. which season? Sunny season. And with it came, and when it came the season of fishes. इस टाइम किसका सीजन हो जाता है? फिशेस का. स्पेशली द हिल्सा फिश. विच फिश? हिल्सा फिश. इसका नाम एक और है, एलिस फिश. Hilsi and Elish fish is a famous fish of Bengal. Bengalis like these fishes. ठीक है, everyone is buying and cooking and eating and talking about this fish only. Okay, so Maharaja क्या बोलते? Elise, I am really tired of listening these words. No matter where I go or whom I met, everyone is talking about this fish only. King is very in that mood. Everyone is talking about Hilsa fish. Hilsa is the same name of Elise fish. Harichandran क्या कहते? This is Elise season, so people are talking about it. ये इसका सीजन है, इसलिए सब लोग बातें करेंगे इसी के बारे में. फिर महाराजा क्या कहते हैं? I find the topic tiring. कोई I am very tiring. Always listening about Hilsa fish. I am very tired about all these things. Please do something so that the people forget the name of Elise. कुछ ऐसा करिए ताकि ये people इनके names भूल जाएं इस fish के. Something do something like everyone doesn't forget the fish name. Do something like that. हरिचंद्रन कहते हैं I am not clever enough to change human nature. However, I can manage it for a day. मैं लोगों का नेचर तो नहीं चेंज कर सकता, बट एक दिन के लिए आई कैन डू समथिंग कि पीपल उसका नाम भूल जाए उस फिश का, है ना. तो महाराजा कहते हैं वेरी वेल, डू दिस फॉर अ सिंगल मॉर्निंग एंड आई विल गिव यू अ रिवॉर्ड. आप एक दिन, इवन एक सिंगल मॉर्निंग के लिए आप ऐसा करके दिखा दो कि उस टाइम कोई भी लोग इस फिश के बारे में बात ना करें. देन आई विल गिव यू अ reward. Okay, if no one can remember this name for almost a morning, ठीक है, then I give you whatever you want. Okay, then Harishchand कहते हैं done. No one is going to mention Elise tomorrow. In the morning tomorrow, no one is talking about this fish. King is happy because he is very tired to listening Hilsa, Elise fish, this name. Okay. When the Maharaja arrived in the court the next morning, Harishchand was nowhere to be seen. The king was surprised. When he come tomorrow, king morning में जब आते हैं, उसको कहीं पे भी हरिश्चंद्र नहीं दिख रहे. He is very surprised. Where he gone? कहाँ चले गए ये? The Maharaja felt very annoyed. The Maharaja is very annoyed. Where he gone? But before he could have started the morning session, there was some queues around. अब जैसे वो अपना morning session, when he tried to start their morning session, something happened. What has happened? Let us see. A big woman with a long hairy arms and a big feet ambled into the court. One woman जिसके हाथों में थोड़े बाल थे और बड़े बड़े पांव थे, वो वहां पे चलते हुए आ रही है. Into the court, she was wearing a red sari and a hat covered with pallu. Her head covered with pallu. She looked like a dancer. She looked like a dancer. Her ankle bell making tinkling sound. पायल पहनी होती है ना, so the pile making twinkling sound, tick 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 like that. Everyone started at her and whispered among themselves. Everyone is talking about who is she. ठीक है, everyone जो कोर्ट में उनके मिनिस्टर्स थे, तो he tell, no one in our village is brazen enough to dress up like this and walk like this, like a bold and as a brass. No one, हमारे विलेज में ऐसा कोई है नहीं. Like she is walking like this. Who is she? Everyone is talking. Who is she? Do you know? Everyone is talking about it. Perhaps the Nawab from the adjacent kingdom has sent. Some of them said maybe some of the Nawabs, that our neighborhood Nawabs, will send her. The Maharaja looked at the woman strangely. The Maharaja looked like that. Who is she? Maharaja asked, who are you? Why you come here? Why you come here? Who are you? Tell me. She was silent. She did not reply. That woman did not reply to the king's question. She is silent. Maharaja asked gently, speak up like this. The woman tucked her pallu very closely about herself. Her glass bangles jingled, looked old and fat and twisted. Hannah, she do like that. And then ekdam aise she stifled like that. She did not speak anything. Maharaja, tell me what do you want? I have lot of state matters to look into and you are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. Tell me, what do you want from me? Okay, then maybe she is dumb. Maharaja said, maybe she is dumb. Everyone made wild guesses. Everyone is making guesses. Maybe she cannot speak. Maybe she is deaf. है ना? Everyone is talking like that. देखिए, are you deaf? Do you think she is a joke? ठीक है? Do you think this is a joke? है ना? Everyone said like that. Are you deaf? Why you making such things like that? Why you don't speak anything? Okay. She took her once more, and so he went on the whole morning. The Maharaja was fed up with her. Everyone was depressed and thought about this woman. Everyone is thinking, oh, who is she? She does not tell her name also. Maharaja said, enough is enough. I am tired of now. I am very tired. If you have any problem, then come tomorrow. But make sure you bring someone who can talk. You can come tomorrow, but bring someone with you who can talk. Maharaja think he cannot talk. She cannot talk. That's why she is not speaking anything. ठीक है? Then हरिचंद्र आ जाते हैं, उनके जो जेस्टर थे. बट माई मॉर्निंग वॉज नॉट बीन वेस्टेड महाराजा. वो कहते हैं बट मेरी मॉर्निंग वेस्टेड नहीं गई. उन्होंने, महाराजा ने कहा, गॉड हेवन, ओ माई गॉड, इट्स हरिशन. What does all about tomfoolery means? You have wasted my entire morning. देखिए, महाराजा कहता है आपने मेरी पूरी मॉर्निंग वेस्ट कर दी. हरिचंद, आप क्या कर रहे थे? हरिचंद ने कहा, देखा, मैंने कर दिखाया. मैंने कहा था ना कि मॉर्निंग के टाइम में भली ऐसा टाइम हो जब किसी को भी हिल्सा फिश के बारे में पता ही ना चले. और हरिचंद डू इट वेरी वेल. हरिचंद ने कर दिखाया. हरिचंद pulled his pallu and whipped her face. Have I, Maharaja? Maharaja कहता है, you have. I had so many important things to attend and none of get done because of you. Strange jokes. Because of you, I cannot do anything since morning. My morning got wasted because of you, Harichan. Harichan कहते हैं, but Maharaja, no one has mentioned Elise in the morning. Is not. What do you wanted? देखिए महाराजा, किसी ने भी उस फिश के बारे में मॉर्निंग से सोचा ही नहीं. So I am the winner of this game, है ना? उसने प्रॉमिस किया था. Well did well. I distract everyone so neatly that no one remember about Alice or any other fish. ठीक है? Harishan said, I distracted all the peoples and no one can remember this fish name. Then Maharaja laughed loudly, है ना? And made such spectacles of yourself, all the bangles and ankles and saris, but succeeded in what you get. ठीक है? उसने वो चीज कर दिखाई. And last में Maharaja said, yes, you succeed. I think I have to think about your reward. What reward I am giving you? I am thinking because you succeed in your game. Okay? Harichan said, please don't give me any Alice or mastery. मुझे वो fish मत दे देना बस. Give me anything, whatever you want, but don't give me that fish. So this is the chapter, beautiful chapter. I hope you like this chapter very well, students. So this is the beautiful, interesting chapter, is it? This chapter is interesting. How interestingly Harishan manage all the things, and at the last he win. Okay. So thank you so much. I will meet you in your next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.